Hi, I'm Veronica at Stash, and today I want to teach you double crochet. Let's talk double crochet. Double crochet is really fun because it's very vertical and it can create a lot of length to a project very quickly. It can also be a little squishier than a single crochet. So let's go over how we do that. You want to pick up your work, position your working yarn, and make sure that you're pinching the actual work, not any previous chains or crochet stitches. So you want to identify your next stitch to work into. Make sure you have both of those bars. And before you insert that hook in, it's one of my favorites, yarn over first, go in through, and yarn over again. Now we have 3 loops on your hook. Magic is about to happen. Yarn over again, go through 2. Yarn over again, go through 2. You know you've done it successfully because you only have 1 loop left on your hook. I'll show you that again. Identify your stitch, yarn over first, go through, yarn over. You're now set up to yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, and go through 2. And that is double crochet. Really fun stitch. Good one to have in your pocket.